Hey guys, oh my God, this is a good one. This is seared tuna with a tomato, olive, caper salsa, and some broccolini. Ahi tuna, super rare. Oh my God, I cannot wait to try this.
This is a good one. Oh, the broccoli's in the way.
Oh my God.
Look at that tuna.
So beautiful.
So perfect. Oh, delicious. That's delicious. That's so nice.
Did you get it with the salsa on it?
Yeah, I got little bits and stuff here. I'm gonna add some more this time though.
This is such a colorful, beautiful looking dish. It's so Mediterranean. It's so clean, healthy. Oh my God. Beautiful.
Have you done this sauce before on
Yeah,
like
similar.
This? Yeah, similar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. This is so colorful. It's amazing.
Really. I mean, I feel like I'm in like Greece. Or, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I haven't been to Sicily, but this is what I imagine food's like in Sicily.
It's just so colorful and beautiful and healthy and easy, you guys. I mean, super simple. I mean, we cooked the tuna for 2 minutes and then the broccolini for 3 minutes, and we made a salsa, and we have like this incredible meal.
Filling. Delicious, filling, full meal. Incredible. Wow.
You love it, Parks?
Yeah. This is on the favorite list now.
Really?
I think so. I'm so lucky. Oh my God, this is so good.
You are so lucky.
I think everyone would love this. And if the tuna seems a little rare, they can just cook it more.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah, just cook it more. Or if you don't like tuna, you do it with swordfish or salmon.
Ooh, nice.
Right?
That would be really nice.
Okay, guys. Well, thanks for coming to see us. We love you. Makes us so happy. We're going. What day is it? Day 86. And we're still going. So keep watching and we'll keep going. Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.